6 months, 8 months with all of you while we were planning, while we were setting stage. Hi for Birla Arika. So my presentation has lot of exciting numbers, right? So these numbers sometimes will excite me and sometimes will excite you as well. So just a check. Okay, it's working. So like Tarendra introduced this project to you, this is our first group housing, Aditya Birla Real Estate, Birla Estates first group housing in NCR, and we are very excited to present this group housing to you. So without any ado, I'll just begin it. So पहले please आप जानिए who we are and as a group what all businesses we are doing, where the power lies actually is in the name of the group itself. We have a market cap of almost 111 billion US dollars in market now across our businesses. We are operating in 180 plus state-of-the-art manufacturing units which are globally spread. We have an employee base of almost 2 lakhs, it's 1,87,000 plus employees across our businesses are working with us. And the most important, we are touching lives. We are touching lives of more than 300 million loyal customer base. So okay, so हम सब मैं भी बड़ा हुआ जब सुनता था टाटा बिरला. नॉर्थ में मैं बहुत लोगों से मिलता हूँ जो टाटा बिरला की बातें करते हैं, right? There are other brands also available in market, but there are certain brands which enjoy legacy as old as more than a century. So we are one of them, and we come from that family, that group of business we represent while we do Birla Estates. So we are active in aluminium, viscose and cement. And see why this golden number 1 is written on the screen, because whatever business we do, we aim to be number 1 in the business in our operating year 3. So definitely Birla Estates is also in that league. We are on that path and you will find us at this number 1 position very soon now. This is the beginning. So Birla Estates overview, briefly Tarendra also explained in his note that we are operating in Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Pune and Bengaluru. All 4 growth markets of India we are touching for real estate. So NCR, what I represent is NCR. We are very hopeful. We are very excited to be in this region. We are operating right now in Gurgaon. We have upcoming projects in Delhi and Noida. Again, it's very close to our heart. We are exploring opportunities. You will definitely see us soon there as well. So product development. So these are the partners. So the ethos of the company lies in life design. The designs are around the lives which we touch, right? So these are the partners who work with us while we deliver these fantastic products to you. So Birla Estates Private Limited, the organization was founded in 2016, and in the initial 2 years we deliver our marquee commercial developments in South Mumbai, which are our rental yields now for us, and we entered into residential space in year 2018, while we are operating now, like I said, in Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore and Delhi NCR. So presenting Birla Arika, this is the first look in front of you. So Arika, why Arika was chosen for this product? We were very sensitive while we were coming down. We are jotting down to these names. We had a lot of those brainstorming sessions that how do we position this marquee in Gurgaon's landscape. So Arika means prosperity. A place where life, luxury and well-being flourish. So all those customers jointly we met in last few months who are largely the prospects of these other prospects of this product, they have arrived in life, right? They have control on their time. So that's how we thought of putting Arika as the symbol of their future addresses. So these are the glimpses of Aarika. We have a massive landscape area, the open spaces in the product. In this 13.2 acres, almost 8+ acres area is open, is covertly green, and the 4 luxury clubhouses are placed across this 8.5 acres console. आज गुड़गांव में हम काफ़ी रियल एस्टेट डेवलपमेंट्स देखते हैं जो लॉन्च होती हैं, and in my vicinity, especially the land sizes rarely are 2 acres, 5 acres, not beyond that. But boss, we are now presenting this 13.2 acres where 8+ acres approximately is open and designed and landscape for these residents. So few more glimpses of this product. Just look at the open spaces, the utility which these spaces offer and which we will be offering to these residents are uncountable. So this is the plan. This is the first look of Birla Aarika's master planning. We have tastefully placed 7 towers in the periphery of the project in this 13.2 acres land. So what does this mean? So if you will observe in this master plan, there is no tower which overlooks each other. There is almost not. These are absolutely private residences. So when we say private residences, means there is no opportunity for any neighborhood or any locality surrounding you to overlook into your apartment. This allows a lot of natural air ventilations. This allows a lot of sunlight across the weathers in India in these apartments. And the beautiful part, another beautiful part, and which is again an unfair advantage, the complete project is designed on 2 to a core. That means every tower, on every floor there are only 2 apartments. This again is an unfair privacy which these residents will enjoy while we deliver Birla Aarika. Notably, the 4 clubhouses, I think, to my understanding, I have not seen any group housing, at least in Gurgaon, which offers 4 expansive clubhouses spread across lakh square feet of amenities for these residents. And mind you, please, this Sara ka Sara central console is absolutely vehicular free. I was just overhearing a social influencer friend around. They love to walk, they would love to jog while they are in the compound. In this area, this will be the only group housing. बस रात को 1 बजे भी मन करेगा ना कि वॉक करने जाना है तो आप नीचे आ सकते हो. You are in a secured perimeter, and it's almost a 1 kilometer of walk surrounding the complete perimeter of the land which we are developing. These 4 clubhouses. Okay, so we were very excited when we were designing these clubhouses, and special feedback was taken from all of you. I personally met a lot of our leading channel partners while we were bringing out Birla Aarika out of drawing board, that the clubs are the essential reasons while people make their decisions. 4 clubhouses, Pehla clubhouse, kids clubhouse, very important feature of this product. For the kids of these families, we have curated a very safe space. This space allows them their kind of energy levels they can explore, their kind of activities they can do without disturbing any other age group of this society. Second clubhouse on its left is the social clubhouse, again placed strategically at the entry of the project itself. So if you are hosting a gathering, if you are hosting people for your private gatherings, when any family member, especially the females of the family, want to go near the pool, they both are not basically barging into any other's privacy. So this was the reason of keeping this social club, which will have your restaurants, which will have your banquets, which will have your lot of social spaces right at the entry of the project. Third clubhouse, right in the middle, you see the swimming pool. It's our fitness zone. It's our fitness clubhouse, which will offer you your indoor swimming pool, which is a temperature controlled swimming pool, your indoor badminton courts, and various other lifestyle amenities, your spa, your private spaces, where you really want to relax in your style of costumes. So why I say your style of costumes, शायद आप उस सोशल क्लब में या उस बैंक्वेट में जाना पसंद नहीं करेंगे जिसके आसपास लोग जाना चाहते हैं स्पा में, जिसके आसपास लोग जाना चाहते हैं एंजॉय करने स्विमिंग पूल को, राइट? So this was a larger intention to keep this fitness club, all the active energy of this project right in the center of it. Fourth club is the sports club. Sports clubs allows you lot of outdoor amenities, your tennis courts, your basketball courts, your other kids play, open kids play area, and lot of outdoor sports facilities. So strategically placed ये चारों क्लब इन आपकी इस प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स की लाइफस्टाइल को बहुत ही इनहेंस करेंगे. सेकेंडली आप ऑब्जर्व करो इस पूरे प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर हम हमेशा फेस करते हैं कस्टमर का रेजिस्टेंस कि यार पार्क फेसिंग यूनिट नहीं मिला, मुझे तो पीछे का यूनिट मिल रहा है जिसमें सनलाइट नहीं आएगा, वो नॉर्थ फेसिंग है, राइट? बट वी हैव सॉल्व फॉर इट. आप इस मास्टर प्लान को ऑब्जर्व करो. एवरी अपार्टमेंट इज इन पार्क फेसिंग अपार्टमेंट, every apartment is in pool facing apartment, and every apartment there are absolutely open from your east, west and south. So ample sunlight, ample natural cross ventilation, and the core planning is just amazing. So we will definitely release the document. मैं ज़्यादा बोर नहीं करूँगा आपको इसकी और बढ़ाइयाँ कर करके, आप प्लीज़ इसको भी पढ़िएगा. So these are 40 amenities which are spread across these 13.2 acres. So, very important. So this is our 360 view, the first look from Birla Arika, where you will see the skyline of Gurgaon, uninterrupted views. आप सबने ये ज़मीन देखी हुई है. ऐसी ज़मीन खुद हम दोबारा लेना चाहें, there is no opportunity in the town, there is no opportunity in the center of the Gurgaon to buy such land again. So for us also it's a rare, it's an unfair advantage, right? So while these residents will make a choice of their houses, they will have uninterrupted views of the greens, uninterrupted views of the skyline of Gurgaon. So infrastructure details, very important. Starting of this evening, our hosts Ayush, Apar Shakti and Kubra highlighted about location, and that's the mere fact. आप globally कहीं भी real estate देखो, आप NCR का real estate देखो, while people invest, while people make the choice of end use, everybody is enjoy appreciation, चाहे वो notional ही हो, and उसका सबसे major और is the only factor is location. So बस this project, ये सारे आप लेफ्ट हैंड के न्यूमोनिक्स रीड कर लो. IGI एयरपोर्ट, एम्बियंस मॉल, लीला होटल, साइबर हब, ओबराय होटल, वेस्टर्न, MDI गुड़गांव और गूगल हेडक्वार्टर्स. आपकी लाइफस्टाइल एलिमेंट्स, आपके वर्क एलिमेंट्स, आपके सोशल एलिमेंट्स आपकी सिर्फ 10 मिनट की ड्राइव में अवेलेबल है. आप मुझे गुड़गांव का आज वो एक प्रेस्टिजियस प्रोडक्ट बताओ जहाँ से आप इन सारी लोकेशन में सिर्फ 10 मिनट में पहुँच सकते हो, एंड they give you an option to pay in 6 years, right? So this is the one offering which we will offer to this market, Birla Arika. पसंद आ रहा तो आप ताली जोर से भी बजा सकते हो. I will not mind. It will really increase my energy. Thank you so much, audience. Thank you for these claps. But अभी और बचा है. Like I started, numbers are very important. Numbers के साथ खेलना भी बचा है. वो खेल भी चलेगा. तो please stay tuned. So project walkthrough. Please pay your attention here on the screen. May I request my team to play the project walkthrough for Birla Arika. Timeless designs, double-lighted lobbies, safe play zones, waterscape, phenomenal the 7 candles of NH8, they will shine for forever with a Birla badge. That's Birla Arika on NH8, guys. Right. So, the multiple clubhouses story which we were discussing, the fitness club will have all these amenities. You will have your gymnasium with yoga, pilates, open gym, spa, salon, kids pool, indoor swimming pool, which is a temperature controlled swimming pool, and half Olympic size outdoor swimming pool. Then in the social and entertainment club, you have all your social spaces to cater to the choicest of community you deal with, you sit with, and you interact with. The sports club, for those enthusiasts who want to be out in the field, sweat, do the calories burn, this is the offering. For the kids, this is a space, a safe space, wherein you can have your leisure time and this zone can also enjoy their kind of time they want. So landscaping amenities, ये जो screen पे आप एक walkway देख रहे हो, this is again a very exciting feature in the design of this project. गुड़गांव में मैंने आज तक कोई ऐसा project नहीं देखा. बहुत लोगों ने terraces जोड़ दिए, बहुत लोगों ने central landscaping में walkways बनाए, but this elevated skywalk, almost 20 feet above the ground, a all-weather walk is connecting your social club and fitness club, and this High Line is the main attraction in this project. This very choicely facade elevated skywalk will be right in the center of this project, and which will enhance the landscaping elements surrounding this elevated skywalk in this project. So jogging and running and cycling track, almost 1 किलोमीटर का पूरा पेरिफेरी के अंदर ये ट्रैक हम लोग डेवलप कर रहे हैं इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर. देयर आर फॉरेस्ट एरिया, ओके, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. सो बहुत ब्रोशर्स देखता हूँ, बहुत वॉक थ्रू सुनता हूँ जहाँ लोग फॉरेस्ट अनाउंस कर देते हैं, बट देयर आर हार्ड बेसमेंट्स बिलो, देयर आर वाटर इशूज, देयर आर एयर इशूज. In this project, we are offering almost an acre of natural green where we have not done even the basement below it. This is the absolute forest for the residents of Birla Arika. Right. So 75% open spaces enhances the luxury of living in Birla Arika. Then talking about the sensory gardens, play parks, splash pad, cabanas. Right, so these are the advanced features. So playing amenities we saw in walkthrough. There are safe kid play areas with water features, cabanas, then jogging, running, cycling tracks in the safe zones. So these are largely about the amenities at Birla Arika. So, okay, now talking about what you get inside the apartment. I just overheard one influencer friend talking about spaces. The spaces people relate, or rather directly relate with luxury. So, जब ये project, while we conceived this project, we were all discussing about luxury. आज 2000 स्क्वायर फीट के अपार्टमेंट, 2500 स्क्वायर फीट के अपार्टमेंट में भी हमारे यहाँ लग्जरी अनाउंस हो जाती है. People only think that giving a marble, giving a modular kitchen, or giving air condition is luxury. But we thought of redefining it. Like we have our ethos of life design. We developed this project first of all into a community while keeping only 4-bed plus staff residences. We took an audacious decision to come out with only 2 typologies. 4300 square feet and 4900 square feet apartments only, which completely transformed this project into a community. Right. Then spaces, I'm sure you all have seen the floor plans of this project. I have not seen a product which offers you almost 40 by 20 square feet living, dining, and 800 square feet running space in your house that extends into an almost 11.5 feet wide decks. So please, this is just a glimpse from the stage. Please spare some time and read these layouts. आपको बहुत मज़ा आएगा जब हम इन लेआउट्स को उन कस्टमर्स को दिखाएंगे जो वेट कर रहे थे बिरला अरीका का. I have not seen in the vicinity where we are doing Birla Arika any new project which offers such open spaces, such expansive layouts. So for the specification in the house, yes, this houses come with Italian marble flooring. Kitchens are done with built-in appliances. These are modular kitchens done with built-in appliances. Bedroom with wooden laminate flooring. State-of-the-art bathrooms. So state-of-the-art. I'll just add up your master bathrooms will have your private steamer spaces. I don't see any project right now with such amenity, and it's a lifestyle amenity. And personally for me, I'm very excited when you are in your steam area, in your gymnasium, how good you have that steam area right in your master bathroom. Right. So master bathrooms equipped with steam areas. These houses come with VRV air conditioning and HEPA air filtrations. So a safe nest for these residents at Birla Arika. So these are the few glimpses while we were talking. So we are very sensitively developing these specifications. While we will explain them in the customer meetings, you will be really excited along with us while we will present this project to the customers. So thank you. This was all about from me, and I hope you like Birla Arika, and I hope